Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to make e-pass during these lockdown times. This video is dedicated to persons who are providing very essential services and working for day night for our comfort. So let's get started. First you have to search the site Janta Samvad on Google or on Chrome or on any web browser. Then you have to click this new application for ePass. Then a page like this will appear. Then you have to click this down arrow. ePass for travel during these curfew times, and you have to click this and press the submit button. Then you have to scroll down and fill your contact number, name of applicant, like what is your name and your contact number, which district are you from, and like the address you want to go to. Like some people want to go to like their stores and their shops so that they can provide us some services, and which type of service, like any telecommunication internet services like milk booth, animal fooder, pharmaceuticals, etc., petrol pumps, water supply, some private security services, etc. From which date, like today is 25th May, till which date, like the lockdown is till 30th May, and it will open on 31st May probably at 5 a.m. So till 30th May you have to set the date and the time, like from which time to time you have to, like your e-pass is valid, like from morning 6 o'clock to evening 10 o'clock, like that. And the next one is it is ID proof. This is the most important step, and you have to give your Aadhaar card, and please make sure that like this website needs both front and the back side of your Aadhaar card, and it also needs like both the images in like they must be combined, the two images of the back side and the front side. Then you have to choose file and like fill your Aadhaar card, the photo, and the last one is a letter or something like why are you going out. You have to give that only. Then you have to acknowledge, like you are liable for prosecution under section 177 and 199 if you break any law, and then press the submit button. After pressing the submit button, you have to go on check status to check the status, like if your Aadhaar card is being approved or not. Then press the check status button. Then you will get the 7-digit code, and you have to fill that code. So like this you can make e-pass very easily. It will take you hardly 5 minutes to make your e-pass, and you can now, like you can roam aloud, and please don't roam out unnecessary. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, comment and subscribe to my channel.